Hello, my name is Kозлова Valerie. I'm a student of School 1210. Roald, Dalь, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Mr. Bucket held the lovely ticket up close to his eyes. His hands were trembling slightly, and he seemed to be overcome by the whole business. He took several deep breaths. Then he cleared his throat and said, "All right, I'll read it. Here we go. Greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket, from Mr. Willy Wonka. I shake you warmly by the hand. Tremendous things are in store for you. Many wonderful surprises await you. For now, I do invite you to come to my factory and be my guest for the one whole day. You and all others who were lucky enough to find my golden tickets. I, Willy Wonka, will conduct you around the factory myself, showing you everything that there is to see, and afterwards, when it's time to leave, you will be escorted home by the procession of large trucks. These trucks, I can promise you, will be loaded with enough delicious eatables to last you and your entire household for many years. If at any time you should run out of supplies, you only need to come back to the factory and show this ticket, and I shall be happy to refill your cupboard with whatever you want. In this way, you will be able to keep yourself supplied with tasty morsels for many years. But this is no means the most exciting thing that will happen to you on the day of your visit. I am preparing other surprises that are even more marvelous and more fantastic for you, and for all my beloved golden ticket holders. Mystic and marvelous surprises that will entrance, delight, intrigue, astonish and perplex you beyond measure. In your wildest dreams, you couldn't imagine that such things could happen to you. Just wait and see. And now, here are your instructions. The day I have chosen for the visit is the first day in the month of February. On this day and on no other, you must come to the factory gates at 10 o'clock sharp in the morning. Also, you are allowed to bring either one or two members of your own family to look after you and to be ensured that you don't get into mischief. One more thing, be certain to have this ticket with you, otherwise you will not be admitted. Signed, Willy Wonka.